Hi, I'm Dr. Lanka Mahesh. I practice in New Delhi. I've been practicing over 15 years, and my focus has been on implants. And my travels all over the world have taken me to various beautiful countries and cities where I have met many friends and new people, old people. I made very good contacts, and life has always been exciting into the world of implantology. I see more and more young people getting into the field of implantology, which is very good, augurs very well for the profession. And I'm here to invite you as a guest in my own home for the ICUI Congress in New Delhi from 22nd to the 24th of February 2013. I assure you that it's going to be a grand affair with the lineup of speakers we have from Asia, from Europe, from Latin America, from North America, from all over Asia like Korea and more countries. We have speakers of fine caliber such as Maurice Salama, Charles Babouche, Ziv Orbianer, Dong Seong Song, Dan Holtzclaw, Zvi Laster, and our national speakers as well, like Dr. Mahesh Verma, Dr. Dilip Deshpande, and Dr. S.P. Agarwal. It promises to be a grand affair, not only because of the galaxy of international speakers that we have at our behest, also because of the fine trade exhibition that we have laid out for all of you. And of course, the cultural program and all that goes into the whole gamut of holding a conference. I really sincerely hope that you will join us and make it a successful event. As every congress is only successful by the number of delegates that it has. So I really look forward to welcoming you with open arms in New Delhi, and I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Praful Bali. I'm a prosthodontist practicing in New Delhi. I specialize also in dental implants. I have been practicing dental implants for almost over 10 years. There are a few frequently asked questions which we usually get when the patient walks in. They usually hear about implants from their associates, people who have had implants previously. They also look into the internet. So I think it is required to answer those questions. Firstly, what are dental implants? Dental implants are artificial roots, man-made roots, which we surgically place into the maxilla or the mandible, which is the upper jaw or the lower jaw of the patient, to support, so that it can support an artificial crown, a bridge work, or a denture work. Also, it can give anchorage for orthodontic correction. What are implants made of? At present, implants are usually made of titanium. Titanium is the only metal which is commercially available, and also it is biologically biocompatible in the human jaw. Other materials like gold, like ceramic, are also being researched. Ceramic is being used in little bit quantity, but overall it is titanium which is marketed and available for us to use it. Now, who needs dental implants? Anyone who has one tooth or multiple teeth missing, or all the teeth are missing, are candidates for dental implants. Of course, medical history, the patient has to be healthy. If there is any systemic disease involved, then we have to first cure that systemic disease or medical condition before thinking about dental implants. Why should you place a dental implant? Well, if there is one tooth or two or three multiple teeth missing, and otherwise overall all the other teeth are healthy, I would suggest an implant or implants to that patient rather than sacrificing natural teeth. You know that when we prepare the teeth for bridge work, for crowns, we have to grind the tooth quite a bit. And if they are not root treated due to caries or periodontal, or if they don't have periodontal problem, then dental implants is what the patient is advised and should be advised. That should be the first line of treatment. When can the patient get implants? The patient can get implants almost immediately. It's a small surgical procedure. Usually implant is placed in two stages. The first is a surgical stage where we place an implant and leave the implant to osseointegrate, which means bone has to form all over the implant, heal it properly, make it firm, And then once the implant is firm into the bone, we can load the implant, putting an abutment and then the superstructure over it, which might be a crown, a bridge work, or an overdenture attachment. Another question which dentists ask is, can I place implants? Yes. Any general practitioner, any person who has done graduation is eligible to do implantology. What you require is proper training, which there are numerous training courses across the world which give specialized training to place implants. Also, why should a dentist incorporate implantology into the practice? Why not? It's a very, very, very good source of a commercially viable treatment. Also, as a dentist, I feel it's our responsibility to give the best and the proper treatment to the patient. And implantology today is the number one choice which has to be given to the patient. If the dentist is not giving that to his client, then I think the dentist is not doing a fair thing to the patient. Commercially, I feel it is totally profitable to place an implant rather than doing a 3-unit or a 4-unit bridge or just a normal denture. Why not include that into your practice?